Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Safuu token and why this thing can go crazy. Let's have a look what exactly they offer us on Safuu.com. I will put you all the important links down under the description of this video. The highest paying auto staking and auto compounding protocol, highest fixed APY in crypto, low risk with Safuu insurance fund, interest paid every 15 minutes, 96 times daily, automatic staking and compounding in your wallet, countdown to pre-launch 22 days, guys. So you know 22 days before this token will be available to buy. So let's take your money bags, prepare for it, and maybe we will see here 1000x and more. Safuu auto staking protocol. Safuu provides a decentralized financial asset which rewards users with a sustainable fixed compound interest model through use of its unique SAP protocol. Safuu delivers the industry highest fixed APY, paid every 15 minutes, and simple buy, hold, earn system that grows your Safuu portfolio in your wallet at a lightning fast pace. All Safuu holders are rewarded with automatic compounding interest which is paid every 15 minutes. So you get here every 15 minutes you earn Safuu. How much can I earn? At the end of the year, and with $1,000 of Safuu investment, they say you can earn up to over $3 million of Safuu. That means we have here a 382,000% of interest. This is somehow a 3,800x your $1,000. That means if we hit just 1,000x with $1,000, you are already a millionaire, right? And they say you can hit here a 3,800 times of your money. Now let's have a look why it is possible. Safuu token is a native token which interest-based rewards are paid. Every token holder automatically receive 0.02355% interest every 15 minutes just for holding Safuu tokens in their own wallet. Auto compounding, crypto's highest paying auto staking and auto compounding protocol with the greatest fixed APY in the industry of 382,000%. Interest rewards are compounded every 15 minutes for every BSC wallet holding and Safuu token. Safuu Insurance Fund. The SIF serves as an insurance fund to achieve price stability and long-term sustainability of the Safuu protocol by maintaining a consistent 0.02355 rebase rate paid to all Safuu token holders. So it is a rebase token, right? The treasury provides support to the SIF in the event of an extreme price drop in the Safuu token. The treasury also funds investment, new Safuu projects and marketing for Safuu. The fire pit. So what is that, guys? 2.5% of all Safuu traded are burned in the fire pit. The most that it is traded, the more get put into the fire, causing the fire pit to grow in size, reducing the circulation supply and keeping the Safuu protocol stable. So that means we have on one side the Safuu insurance fund. 5% of all trading fees are stored in the Safuu insurance fund. We have the fire pit. 2% of all, 2.5% of all Safuu traded are burned in the fire pit. And the tokenomics we see here: buy 14% slippage and sell 16% slippage. Automatic liquidity pool, Safuu insurance fund, the treasury, and the fire pit. Competitive advantages: yes, we know it is possible that we can earn up end of the year $1 million, minimum $1 million, maybe $3 million, with just $1,000 investing in this project, guys. So let me know what you think about this project. It is something new for myself. It is, I think, a rebase token. If you don't know what it is, please Google it. We have here a white paper. If you click on this link, you can find here many details about the token. Yes, it is. Safuu is a BEP20 token with an elastic supply which rewards its holders with a positive freebase formula, thus creating the highest paying auto staking and auto compounding token. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. They have here a Discord server with over 1,300 members right now, 27 right now online, and for sure on Twitter with over 1,300 followers, and on other social media channels, also Reddit, Medium. They are everywhere where you have to be in the crypto space, but not Telegram. It's okay. They have Twitter or Telegram. Both are working very nicely. And for sure Discord. Guys, if you have a question, please write it down into the comments about Safuu. Maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Maybe leave a like if you like this project. It will help a lot to go forward for Safuu. And don't forget, in 22 days this token is available, and then we have a pre-launch. Guys, wish you all the best profits on the blockchain sky. Until next video, see you later, alligator. Bye.